All right, here we are on 271 northbound, north of Chagrin. We're Slipform Paving an 81-inch concrete barrier wall that's going to act as a longitudinal barrier and a noise barrier. It's a new design being tested by central office, and we're one of the first projects in the state to give it a try. The contractor, Great Lakes Construction, is performing a slipform paving operation. This is the first of the kind that they've done. So they had to even buy the mold to even get the slipform paving to work. With slipform paving construction, you pave it at such a low slump that it stands up like this, so it doesn't fall over, doesn't need form work. With slipform paving, the wall cures at about the same rate, but you don't need to form and strip and do all the other work involved with forming and pouring with fixed form construction. So this form of slipform paving is typically seen on curbs and curb and gutter. It provides a very quick product. This is also just like a median barrier wall that you see on a lot of highways, except this is taller. So this is 81 inches tall, where type B barrier is 57. The contractor, Great Lakes Construction, and ODOT and Contractor's Choice, the supplier, we've been working really close to get the mix where we need it, along with central office materials. So it's been kind of a science experiment for everybody to make sure this works. So we even had a test pave beforehand to make sure that the wall would actually stand up with the mix we had. Also, we're using an additive approved by Materials Management that helps with the finishing of the concrete. It's called Ultra Finish. It's new for slipform construction, and Office of Materials Management let us use it for this job because of the size and the mold to create less friction when they're extruding the concrete in the slipform construction. It's been a good experience, it's been a fun project.